Our package arrives in a robust metal box, ensuring safe and secure shipping. Let's open it up and see what awaits inside. First, you will notice the stylish outer box wrapped in refinement. We believe the unboxing experience should be as elegant as the jewelry itself. Next, we have our documentation folder. Let's take a closer look at what's inside. Here's a premium microfiber cleaning cloth to maintain your jewelry's pristine shine. It's perfect for keeping your pieces looking brand new. We also include a personalized thank you card. It's our way of expressing our gratitude for your trust in Earthly Jewels. Next, the Jewelry Care Card provides essential tips to help you preserve your jewelry's beauty and longevity. Very important for maintaining your investment. The Know Your Diamond card offers complete detail about your precious gem. We want you to be fully informed about the quality and characteristics of your diamond. Here's the IGI certificate validating the authenticity of your diamond. This certification is crucial for your peace of mind. We include the official GST invoice ensuring complete transparency with your purchase. And finally, here's the star of the show, the exquisite solitaire ring. Crafted to perfection, it's the centerpiece of elegance and sophistication. At Earthly Jewels, we strive to make your jewelry experience exceptional from start to the finish. We look forward to helping you find your perfect piece. Don't forget to visit earthlyjewels.co to explore the most amazing solitaire rings.